こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Sheena is going to make pan roasted teriyaki corn bites. Grilled corn and cob is called yakito morokoshi in Japan. It's a popular street food at festivals. It's typically glazed with sweet and savory soy sauce, like teriyaki flavor, and it's just yummy. Sheena is going to make it using a pan and in bite-size form, so it's easy to make at home and easy to eat. Okay, let's get started. First, we're gonna pre-cook corn on a cob. Remove the outer layer of the corn husks, but keep a couple of layers of husk covering the corn. Place the corn on the cobs in a pan, add enough water to cover, and add 1 tablespoon of salt and turn on the heat. When it comes to a boil, turn the heat to low and cook for 5 minutes. Turning occasionally. Boil corn with husks and start with cold water. It makes the corn juicy and keeps the natural sweetness. Remove them from the pan and let them cool down. Meanwhile, let's prepare the teriyaki sauce. In a small bowl, place 1 tablespoon of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sugar, and mix. Done. Cut the bottom of the corn off and squeeze the corn out of the husks. Cut the corn cob into thirds crossways. And then stand it upright. And cut into quarters lengthways. So that from each cob you get 12 pieces. In order for the teriyaki sauce to stick well, lightly dust the corn kernels with plain flour. Heat some vegetable oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Place the corn, kernels side down. Fry for 6 to 7 minutes or until the kernels are slightly charred. The corn are already cooked, so you just need to add a smoky charred flavor to the kernels. Turn off the heat, give the teriyaki sauce a quick whisk and add to the pan. Shake the frying pan and coat the sauce with the kernels. Keep shaking the pan as the sauce is easy to burn. できた! Transfer them to a serving plate. Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said. She loves the mouth-watering aroma and the taste of caramelized teriyaki glaze and roasted corn. She can eat them forever. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye. またね。